So now let's go do the same thing. We'll be doing format of borders. Now in the borders of grand total, we'll be having this, and in the header section as well, we'll be having this, but with a more heavy or more darker border. Then column divider, same thing with this and same thing with this. Okay, and in this cell we do have this and this and this, and we can again select a line for the same line and line. Okay, for each and everything a line is being selected out, right? So this is for the lows, and now in this also we'll be having lines with the same color, line and line and line with these same colors. Okay, internally and in the row divisions as well, we'll be selecting that. And in sheet as well, we'll be having this thing selected with the line, selected with the line and selected line. Okay, pane again, line color. Okay, so everything is like in yellow color somewhat. So again the graph should be of similar kind, so we'll have this thing into a pale yellow, and we can again color the text as well. So if we go over here, we can format, and in this format we can have this thing, and this thing can be again showcased as dark color, but this is not looking fine, and we can have this or any of the color which is looking nice to this. Okay, right? And we will go to this dashboard, and yes, see, everything is properly assigned. Isn't it looking good? Yes, it's looking good. So everything is like giving their own descriptive look and feel to all these things. Now let's make the same thing, and let's just understand how we color the panel or the dashboard name. Sorry, the worksheet name. We'll go back to this. We'll okay, once we have done this, so we need to go to format, and let's understand few of the more thing. We can have the reference line. Now this reference line will be of dark pink color, and it will be over here. Okay, and we'll be selecting it fill above. So no, so there is no filling of any colors now, right? And let's clear back, and let's this dark pink color. Okay, and shades and everything, and yes, so everything is okay over here, and in the same manners as well. Instead of this kind of line, we can select these kinds of line and dark pink. Okay, so let's go back, and we'll see we have aligned a line as well, which is a reference line to this point. Now let's go back to format, and apart from lines or reference line, drop line annotation, titles and caption. So in this we'll have, for the title we'll have border which is of black color, or which can be of any of the light color. Okay, and then there is a border, and that border will be of this thing, this color or this color, and the border's length will be somewhat like this. Okay, so this is how we put up colors to our borders title part. Let's go back over here, and we can see this. Let's go to this, and let's have some bordering part to this as well, right? And when we go to border, we'll have this color with a perfect line. Okay, and let's go back and let's see to this, right? So this is how it works. And now if you go to format over here, there are only 2 to 3 things we are going to see in dashboard. Let's check out with the parameters. Left align. Okay, so Tableau font is right. Shading is required for, and we'll be having a color of, let's say, sky blue, and in this sky blue, and then there will be a line with the blue, sky blue color. Okay, so this is the format we have for the same. Now let's do the same think on these two things, okay? And let's understand and let's see the complete graph then. It is again auto adjustable, so there is no problem with it. So we technically understand the whole concept of creating a dashboard and different techniques of getting the dashboards, right? So we can explore the other way, such as presentational mode, and yes, that's fine. We can have the same thing, and we can use the same thing. So now there is no option of filtrations, etc., and we can just hover it and look at. So this is one of the thing. So let's first create. Let's just make these two things again a good and a useful thing. Go to the sheet. Let's have format, borders, and let's have this lines with the color of let's say purple, and the paint color is also purple. Line purple, right? And we'll again, on a similar basis, we'll be checking out these things, right? And over here we'll go and format. So this would be again this or this color. We have done the same thing for this, and we go back to this, and when we select this, we have all these points. We'll go to format, and in the formats we have borders, sheets, okay, and this is the color we're going to provide. This is the text color, and these are the different lines we need to have. Okay, now let's go to the fourth one. Let's do the same thing for this. Format, borders. Now let's give this thing as sky blue. 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 Okay, so the blue is settled. Now let's go to color, and let's have this blue color, and the text. So the text color we have here will be format and dark blue. Okay, so yes, now let's select this and axis. We don't want to change the title color. We can just have the borders. We can go with the title and field. Title will be of this color background, sorry, or this background, and the border needs to be this with this thing, right? Okay, and let's go back to venue and venue station wise revenue, right? So where we can have the selection to this, this, and this would be this with this. Now, so now our dashboard looks pretty nice. Let's remove this, and let's go to the dashboards as presentational mode, right? Now, so this looks very nice dashboard we have created. Now let's understand the story part, how story thing works out.